To touch on the subject of cap rates, whether you wanted to buy low and sell high, or whether you want to buy high and sell low. And I suppose the topic is, most people think, well, I don't want to raise my cap rate. Well, under my ownership, I want to raise the cap rate. I want to get that cap rate as high as I can. If I buy it at a 6 or 7 cap, I want to bring that thing up to 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, or God forbid, we get up to a 20, 22 cap, something like that. Yes, I want that cap rate as high as I can possibly get it under my ownership when I own the property, so that I can leverage the bank for more money. The more money I can leverage at the bank, the more properties I can buy for my portfolio. If I want to get the cap rate as high as I can for my benefit, and then get that cap rate as low as I can at time to sell it, that's real simple. I just raise the price of the property based on the new cap rate. When I go to sell it, sure, it's going to be a 6 cap or a 7 cap because I've raised the price, the sale price of that property. So if I buy it at $5 million, I up that cap rate to a 20 cap, then that means I need to sell it for 7.1 or 7.2 million. If my cap rate garners the new rate of sale, then yes, I have bought it low, raised it up high to get a bank valuation to borrow more money, or to raise the sale price, and now I'm selling it at another low cap rate, essentially where I bought it. But the whole goal is, let's get that cap rate under my ownership to go way up. That way I can increase the sale price based on the leases that are in place and the cash flow, the revenue, the NOI, and then I can turn around and sell it for a much higher price. So yes, I want to raise that cap rate during my ownership.